In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy USDT in BingX Quick Buy. First, open your browser and head to the BingX homepage. Once you're on the site, look for the Buy Crypto option in the main navigation. Click that, and from the menu, choose P2P Trading. This takes you to the peer-to-peer marketplace, where BingX connects buyers and sellers. We'll use the Quick Buy feature here because it streamlines the process by automatically matching you with an available, compatible offer. On the P2P page, locate and click Quick Buy. This brings up a simple panel where you can set your purchase details. Start by choosing your local fiat currency, then select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. For this tutorial, pick USDT. Enter the amount you want to spend in your chosen currency. You'll see an estimated quantity of USDT you'll receive based on the current rate. Take a moment to review that estimate and be aware of any minimums, limits, or fees that may apply in your region. When everything looks good, click Buy to place your order. Next, you'll be prompted to select a payment method. BingX supports a range of options, including bank cards, P2P transfers, third-party services, and fiat deposits. Choose the option that works best for your situation. It's a good idea to consider processing times, supported currencies, fees, and any daily limits before you proceed. Make sure the payer name matches your account name if your region requires it. Now complete the payment using the method you selected. If you're paying through P2P, carefully follow the on-screen instructions to transfer funds to the seller as specified. Add any required reference notes and upload proof of payment if requested by the order flow. Very important. Once you've sent the payment in a P2P order, click the Paid button inside BingX so the system notifies the seller to release the assets. Always keep communication and confirmation within the platform for safety. After payment, wait for the seller or payment processor to release the USDT to your account. You'll see the assets appear in your account once the release is complete, and at that point, you're ready to trade. If you're prompted with a final confirmation, click Buy again to finalize and submit the order. That's it. You've used BingX Quick Buy to purchase USDT from navigating to the right section, entering your amount, selecting a payment method, completing payment, and confirming release. If anything seems delayed, use the Order Details page to check status and reach support within the platform. Thanks for watching and enjoy your trading.